Hello, my name is Ashley Robinson, and I'm the editor of Spud Smart. Today, I'm here to talk about our top 10 most innovative products for 2022. I have Morgan Dietrich from John Deere here to chat with me about their product AutoPath, which was named one of Spud Smart's most innovative products. Thanks so much for being here, and congrats on being named one of the top 10 most innovative products.
Thank you for having me.
So let's get into talking about the product. So can you tell me a bit more about what AutoPath is?
Yeah, it's really a guidance line management system that makes picking and choosing where in a field an operator goes much, much simpler. Think of it as the easy button for doing all your different trips throughout the potato season.
Awesome. And so what makes it so novel or such a new technology that we have out there?
Yeah, so when we think about all the different things that you're doing during the potato season, you're planting, you're hilling, you're applying pesticides and fungicides, and then coming back and harvesting. You're making multiple trips throughout the season. So what AutoPath does is it makes it very, very easy for all operators to know exactly where in the field they should go, what guidance line they should choose, and then those lines essentially show up on their display. They pull in with whatever application they're doing. They hit auto track resume and away they go. It really, really makes things a lot simpler and takes away a lot of the frustration that maybe customers and users have had in the past.
Yeah, definitely. Lines are very important when we're looking at potato growing because, of course, we have all those hills and everything. So you want to make sure you're treating them each equally and carefully and giving them only the products they need.
Correct.
So why, I feel like you've kind of talked about this a bit so far, but really, why is it an important product for the potato industry?
In the past, you've had to sometimes count rows, and it's an opportunity for somebody to make a mistake, right? They could be distracted, so they could be pulling into the wrong place and get off, basing comparative to where their planter was, what their hiller width is, or what their digger is. So this really allows those lines to just know exactly what the width of your equipment is, and you don't have to do any of that manual work anymore. Now, after you get through your planting season, those lines are there for the rest of the different applications you're going to use. And it really is just as simple as pulling into the line that's on your display, hitting resume, and not having to keep track of all the different lines in fields that are maybe cut up a bit and not perfectly square. It just makes things that much more fluid and simple for our users.
Definitely makes sense. And when we're looking at fields, sometimes you'll have a bush or something that you have to go around. And it's not always easy to remember which way you're going around it or anything.
Correct. And particularly as you think about the harvest season, if you're making a new land, you typically have a number that you like to move over when you're going to start going around in that circle again. Now it's just a matter of finding how far over in the field you want to go and hit that line instead of counting and putting in flags and making a mistake. It really does make it just that much easier.
And so what are your guys' future plans for it?
So this really is a row crop system today, whether it be potatoes and then obviously other row crops. We do plan to expand AutoPath into our broad acre crops for people that use small grains and other things. And really, we're going to continue to build on this family. So it's not even going to be for planting, harvest, but it'll also be for things like tillage in the future. So AutoPath has really had a lot of success in its short period of time that it's been on the market, the last year and a half or so. And we are going to continue to build on this brand and bring more functionality and a lot of that ease of use for more customers throughout the world.
Can't wait to see where it goes. Thanks so much for chatting with us about AutoPath today.
Thanks for having me.
And thanks everyone for watching. And please make sure to watch the rest of our video interviews with the other winners on the Spud Smart website and check out our story about all of the winning products.